If you've ever tried to get a loan for an Airbnb property, you know how frustrating it is. You run the numbers on a short-term rental, the market's strong, comparable properties are booked 25 days a month. You know it'll crush it. But then you call a lender and they say, we need 2 years of rental income history from that property, which is impossible because you're trying to buy it right now. Here's what traditional lenders don't understand about short-term rentals. They were built for long-term rental properties with 12-month leases. They want to see actual historical rental income from the exact property you're buying. But STRs don't work that way. The income fluctuates. The property might not even be a rental yet. So what do? They either reject you completely or they only count a fraction of the potential rental income. Sometimes as low as 25% of what the property actually earns, which means a property that cash flows $4,000 a month only counts as $1,000 in their calculations. And here's the other problem. Even if you get approved, they're using your personal debt to income ratio. So after 1 or 2 STR properties, you're maxed out. Not because you can't afford it, but because their formula says you can't. Meanwhile, the properties are generating real cash, real income, real wealth. This is why hundreds of STR investors use DSCR loans. With a DSCR loan, we look at what comparable properties in the market are actually earning. We pull data from AirBNB or similar sources that show real short-term rental performance. If the numbers show the property can cover the mortgage, you're approved. No 2-year history needed, no personal income verification, no debt to income ratio holding you back. And here's the best part. Once you close on property 1, property 2 is even easier because we already know you. We already know your strategy works. We've helped over 6,000 investors close deals using DSCR loans. Hundreds of those were short-term rentals in markets from Florida to Tennessee to Arizona. We understand STR underwriting because we've done it thousands of times. You can close in 3 to 4 weeks instead of waiting months. You can scale your STR portfolio without hitting a debt-to-income ceiling. You can qualify based on market data, not personal tax returns. Loans up to $5 million with as little as 15% down for short-term rentals. If you're trying to build an STR portfolio and traditional lenders keep saying no, tap below. Let's show you what you actually qualify for.